Motorhead Garage, presented by Topcoat, is brought to you by Stage 8 Fasteners, home of the world's best locking header bolt. Locking kits now available for all turbo applications. Go to stage8.com. ETA Manufacturing, lift stands that will transform the way you work on your car. Jones Performance Products, the finest in fiberglass truck hoods and the home of truck rods. And by NH Oil Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system.
You know, I do a lot of home improvement stuff, and just a few weeks ago I was working on a plumbing project and needed to replace one little thing and discovered that there's some other stuff down the line that needed to be replaced too. So there's a bunch of trips back and forth from the store, and I find the same thing with a lot of auto repairs also. How can Rockauto.com save me that hassle?
We have a lot more assemblies now, so you get everything you need ready to go, ready to install. For example, we have this wheel bearing hub knuckle assembly that you don't need to press the bearing in. You won't be surprised if, okay, this knuckle's bent a little bit or it's corroded, and when you get halfway through and you got to put everything on hold. It's all clean, new, ready to install.
What if I look at, say, this part and discover I only need one little bit of it and the rest of it is fine?
Well, yeah, we sell the individual parts also. You just look through our catalog and you'll see the part, and then when you have lots of choices like this, if you have the front and rear, you care about different brands, you can just unclick. If you just want front, you unclick rear, and you just see the front pieces, or you can search for a specific manufacturer that you prefer, and we have a huge selection, and this simplifies the choices for you.
Big selection, reliably low prices, and now with assemblies, Rockauto.com can make your job really easy as well.
Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
All right, Motorheads, we know you are backyard mechanics. You love to work on your vehicle, in your garage, in your yard, whatever you got to do to get it done. And if you're working on it in your yard, there is no chance you're going to be able to get a regular mechanic's creeper underneath. It's got the wheels, the casters are not going to move on grass. They're not going to move over the roots of the trees. You're going to have a big struggle on your hands. That's why you want to turn to the one, the only Magic Creeper. Magic Creeper is two pieces of fabric that glide over each other just like you are on the ice, and it goes back and forth underneath the car, left and right if you need to maneuver under the vehicle, and it gives you plenty of ground clearance. Most cars are only about 8 inches off the ground. Magic Creeper gives you a chance to get underneath that. If you have a standard creeper, of course the wheels are going to take up a few inches. It's going to put you closer to the car. There's no way you're going to be able to get under your vehicle to work on it. Another use for you backyard mechanics, the Magic Creeper works as a knee pad. If you're changing a tire or something like that, you've seen me do that. It sounds kind of funny, but it really will save your knees. A day of working on your car like that, you're going to be glad you have the Magic Creeper. Even if you're just washing it, it is perfect to use as a knee pad. It cleans off really easily no matter what you get on it. Grease, oil, any kind of dirt, it's going to come right off of the Magic Creeper. And finally, you backyard mechanics, if you got a nice paint job you don't want to mess with, you can put the Magic Creeper over the fender, use it as a cover to protect your paint job. Protect your ride using the Magic Creeper. Now, if you look online, you're going to find the Magic Creeper everywhere, but the only place to find the real Magic Creeper, the authentic Magic Creeper, is magiccreeper.com. Accept no imitations. Check out the Magic Creeper. That is going to do it for this episode. We are glad you tuned in and took the ride with us. We're going to do it again next week, so be sure to tune in. In the meantime, you can check out our Facebook page and see what's new at Motorhead Garage. And if you want to see something featured on our show, email Jeff at masterstv.com. From our entire crew, we will see you next week here on Motorhead Garage, presented by Topcoat. So long.